Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Google Chrome that is downloading very slow in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us begin, and let me just open my Google Chrome browser here. So once this is open, let me just expand this one. Once this is all open, all we need to do is just to, let me just choose an account. All we need to do is just to go to the upper or very upper right corner of your screen. Here you will see a three dot icon, so please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be all you need to do is just to scroll down until the bottom part. You will see the settings option there. Please click on that. And then at the left pane, you will see privacy and security. Please click on that option and then scroll down. You will see under privacy and security section the security options here. Safe browsing, protection from dangerous sites, and other security settings. Once you click on that, you will be able to see this safe browsing option here. Just scroll down a little bit. We will look for use secure DNS. Okay, so let's just this one. Under advanced options, we have use secure DNS option. Please make sure that this is turned on, and then to select for DNS provider, just click on this drop down button here. So by default, the Google public DNS is selected in my DNS provider, and since my Google Chrome is working very fine, I will just leave it be. And if in your case it's downloading very slow, then you can also choose this Cloudflare here or Google public DNS. So either of the two, you can choose either of the two, and these two perfectly works very fine. So if you have now chosen for the DNS provider, we can now move on with the next step, which is to go again or to go to the URL section. Here we need to type Chrome :/flags. This one. We have here Chrome :/flags. Now once you click on that, you will see the experiments here, everything here. So you will see, or if you don't see the parallel downloading option, please go to the search tab here and then type parallel. Once you type parallel, you will see this parallel downloading. So enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed for your Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, or Android. So if you click on this drop down button here, so if the options here is not set to enable, then just click this drop down button. Click on the enabled or choose the enabled options, and it will ask you to relaunch the Google Chrome. So just please click on the relaunch button, and the Google Chrome will be automatically exited, and then it will be automatically turned on also. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to go to your three dots icon again, and then you will go to settings. So let me just click on settings option here, and this time we will be going to the system options. So scroll down, you will see a system options, and for the option that says continue running background apps when using or when Google Chrome is closed, please make sure that this is turned off. And for the use graphics acceleration when available, please make sure that this is turned on. Okay, so again, for the continue running background apps, please turn off. For the use graphics acceleration, please turn on. And the next thing you need to do, go again to this three dot icon. If you see extensions, please click on that. But if you haven't seen extensions option, you can go to your more tools and you will be able to see the extension option there. So since this extensions is in the three dot icon, please click on this manage extensions here, and then all you need to do here is just to remove all the unnecessary and unwanted extensions that you have added in your Google Chrome browser, because it may be the reason or one of the reasons why the downloading is very slow. Okay, So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.